In this video, I'll show you how to change your password on Airbnb. To do this, go and open up Airbnb and in the top right, click on your profile picture. Then you want to go to Account. And from here, go to Login and Security, where you can update your password. Then here you can see Password. Now go and click Update. Then first you will need to enter your current password and then your new one. And then enter your new one and confirm it. And then click Update Password. Now, of course, this only works if you do know what it currently is. If you don't know, then that also isn't a very big problem because you can just sign in using your phone number. You can see if you go to login, from here you can then choose to continue with your phone number, or if it's connected to Google, for example, you can do that right there. And then if it is connected to Google, then you can also choose to change your password through your Google account. So that's how to change your Airbnb password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.